Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good day, Matt. How is your day?
Excellent. And hopefully you have a wonderful day, right? But first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Riska Amalia Dewantari, and my partner is,
Anisa, Rizki, Winiardy.
we are from Malang State Polytechnic, majoring in civil engineering, and we are second grade for T4, Construction Engineering Management.
So, this presentation is to fulfill an assignment for an English course. Well, we have two topics. And the first topic is what is civil engineer? And the second,
The second one is what does civil engineer do? So without any further ado, let's get started.
okay, first topic, what is civil engineer? Well, I think it's time for us to talk about the statement. Alright, but before we talk about it, I think we should explain the meaning of civil engineer itself. So, what is civil engineer? According to careerexplorer.com, civil engineer is someone who applies scientific knowledge to improve infrastructure and common utilities that meet basic human needs.
Well, now it's time to talk about a statement civil engineering is everywhere. As we explained before, a civil engineer has an amount of outcome such as airports, bridges, roads, dams, houses, buildings, and so on. From the statement, we may conclude that civil engineering is everywhere. Those results can make it easier to do a lot of daily activities.
Okay, there are a lot of outcomes from civil engineering that we can see around us. For example, the house that we dwell on. Not just that, a civil engineer also design roads, bridge that we use for our daily activities. If we talk about civil engineering outcomes for the public facility, the first thing that comes out of our mind are the rail station, mall, and the stadium. Okay, next.
It's time to talk about the second topic what does civil engineer do? As time goes by, as the population increased, so did the need for housing, right? Therefore, there was a need for those who specialize in construction, and that is a civil engineer. A civil engineer performs a variety of work, starting with designing, constructing, renovating, and many more.
A civil engineer not only designs such works as buildings, homes, airports, but also the roads, bridges, dams, and many more. With such increasing facilities, there is also a need for a better irrigation system, right?
Exactly. A civil engineer also played a role in designing irrigation canals by making or planning a good drainage lines. To produce many of these, a civil engineer would need to cooperate with various parties. That collaboration works between a civil engineer, an architect, a mechanical engineer, an electrical engineer, and many others.
Okay, so the conclusion from us. Anytime and anywhere we are, there is a civil engineering because the results are something we can see and feel for ourselves. That's why civil engineering is everywhere. Okay, that's all of our presentation. We are feeling sorry. Maybe there are any faults. And thank you guys. Goodbye.
Goodbye.